Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. As you know, the format of our show, we try to make something very traditional, easy and simple which you can try at your home, and we always try to guide you in a way so you can learn it in a very easy way. So you're probably thinking, what's the menu for today's show? So we're gonna make something very what you can say, very delicious for you guys today, because so many people requested us for that recipe, which is chicken white karahi, and with that we're gonna serve our chicken white karahi with a sweet dish, which is a sweet vermicelli known as sweet sawaiya. So I'm not gonna waste any time here. I will introduce you with the ingredients first of all, and then we will start our cooking. Before we start our introduction with the ingredients of today's recipe, I will suggest you wash your hand and clean your surface and get started with your cooking. So I will introduce first of all with the chicken white karahi ingredients, and then I will introduce you with the sweet vermicelli recipe as well. So first of all, we need the salt, and we got some cumin seeds, we got the crushed black pepper, here we got the crushed coriander seeds, here I got ginger garlic paste, which is freshly prepared. As I always say, try to make fresher one, otherwise you can just make it for 1 week and preserve in your freezer. Here I got 1 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt I got. You can use the Greek style yogurt as well, it's entirely up to you. And here I got the white cream, fresh cream, which is easily available from any grocery shop or any supermarket, you can buy it. And last but not least, we got some cooking oil for our cooking and some water. Obviously we need to make our chicken tender. So these are the ingredients for our white chicken karahi. So now I'm gonna introduce with the ingredients of our sweet vermicelli. First of all, we got the vermicelli, nearly pack of that, and what I did, it was like long, so I just broken them with my hands, change into the size of small bits and pieces. So it's entirely up to you how you want to make it. And we got the sugar here, we're going to use according to the taste and desire. Green cardamom, we're going to use the seeds of our green cardamom. Here I got the chopped almonds and some pistachios. So let's get started our cooking. First of all, I'm going to put the cooker on underneath my milk, because I want my milk to get a quick boil. Then we add in our sugar and our vermicelli known as sawaiya. And meanwhile, what I will start cooking with my white chicken karahi. So in a pan, I'm just gonna put the cooker on, flame on, and here I'm gonna add nearly 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. If you like more oily, you can add more oil in. If you are a person who watching your calories, you can reduce the amount of oil, and even you can reduce the amount of cream as well. And probably you don't want to use cream, it's entirely up to you, so it's not necessary. So here we put the cooking oil in our pot. As it's gonna have heated itself up, we're gonna add in our chicken, keep stirring it until it's golden brown, and then we're gonna add our ginger garlic paste. So there's not too much chopping in our recipe today, it's just gonna be intentionally cooking and stirring mainly, so we can have a little chit chat about the different sort of things. Like, you people ask me questions about your home remedies, you ask for your health issues, so we will discuss those as well. And plus the person who requested for our white chicken karahi probably very happy and note down the recipe, okay? So as our chicken gonna be slightly heat up, we're gonna add in our nearly 1 kg of chicken we got here. Be careful when you adding your chicken in when the oil is hot and popping, because you don't want to split the oil on you and don't want to burn yourself. Very carefully, slowly. Okay, here I give you a tip for today's recipe, is that this is the white chicken karahi. If you want to make boneless white chicken karahi, it's the same ingredients, just use the boneless chicken for it. So there's no big deal in that. Okay, just gonna wait till our chicken gonna be fried slightly brown, and then we add in our spices. Meanwhile, what I will do, I won't waste my time here, I will start doing the preparation for our garnishing. So first of all, I need to add in these green chilies. That's a part of our recipe. Here I got nearly 6 of them. And I'm going to add in whole chilies as I always do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the bottom of it and just going to cut it from the middle. Again, removing the bottom of green chilies and just going to give us cut in the middle. Same with another one. Very easy. Just removing the bottom of it and just giving a cut into our green chilies. These are already washed and prepared to cook, and just now gonna give a quick stir to my chicken. You probably noticed that it's slightly changing its color. That means chicken is frying nicely. We just have to stir it so it can be cooked equally. Yeah. Okay. And now here I got the ginger. Just gonna remove the skin of it and do the julienne chopping of this so we can prepare our garnishing. And don't worry, I got a dustbin down there. I'm not throwing my things on the floor. Probably you people thinking I'm making mess. No, I'm not. I got a dustbin down there. Just for all those guys been asking me the question, why are you throwing the peels on the floor? No, I'm not. My team is too clever. They put the dustbin down there so I can easily remove the peels and just throw straight away into the dustbin. Okay, so what I did, I just removed the peel of my ginger and just gonna give a stir to my chicken. And here I'm gonna have a quick glance to my milk which I left for boiling. It's nearly 2 liters of milk for our sweet Zaiqa or vermicellis. So it's not boiled yet, so I'm gonna let it boil. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I need to do julienne slice of my ginger. So first of all, I'm gonna remove the thin layers of ginger, just like that, like this. And now hold 2 or 3 together and just chop them like this. So what we're doing while we are cooking, we're not wasting our time. We are preparing our garnishing and plus the things we're gonna add in our recipe today. And today's recipe is very nice, and as I said earlier on, you can change the recipe according to your taste and desire. If you like wanna just boneless white chicken karahi, so you're just gonna change the chicken, like we got the whole chicken pieces, you can just change it into the boneless pieces and you can make your karahi. A little bit more is gonna be fried, then we're gonna add our ginger garlic paste. Meanwhile, I will chop my ginger. So all these people suffering from bone disease, backaches, pains, if they start drinking ginger tea, it is very helpful. So this is a tip for those guys who's suffering with all these problems and don't know how to manage themselves. That's why I always say the Asian cooking is very famous and it's good as well, because you using all these ingredients which is the healthy option for your healthy living life. Like you're using veggies, you're using meat in it, you're using ginger garlic paste and chilies too. So all these things do have their side effects, but they do have benefits as well. So that's the good thing about and nearly every Asian recipe, they do add in ginger garlic paste. And here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV 99.
चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए अज्जा हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो, दही 1 कप, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज मिर्च 4 से 5 अदद, खुश धनिया 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, काली मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, क्रीम 1 कप, तेल हाफ कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, अदरक 1 दरमियाना टुकड़ा, हरा धनिया आधी गुठी। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए एक पैन में तेल गरम करके इसमें चिकन फ्राई करें यहाँ तक कि हल्की सुनहरी रंगत आ जाए। फिर इसमें लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट डालकर 1 से 2 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। अब जीरा, खुश धनिया, काली मिर्च, नमक, दही और पानी डालकर दरमियानी आंच पर पकाएं ताकि चिकन गल जाए। फिर हरी मिर्च और क्रीम शामिल करके पकाएं और अच्छी तरह मिक्स करके चूल्हे से उतार ले। हरे धनिया और अदरक से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। मज़ेदार चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई तैयार है। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई इंग्रेडिएंट्स: चिकन 1 kg, yogurt 1 cup, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, green chilies 4 to 5, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon, cream 1 cup, oil half cup, salt to taste, ginger 1 medium piece, fresh coriander half bunch, water 1 cup. Cooking directions: heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken till slightly brown. Then add a ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add crushed cumin seed, crushed coriander seeds, crushed black pepper, yogurt and 1 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until chicken tender. Add green chilies and cream, mix it well and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from cooker, garnish with the ginger and chopped coriander and serve it. Delicious chicken white curry ready to eat. मीठी सवैयाँ अच्छा सवैयाँ 1 पैकेट बारीक वाली, चीनी 6 खाने के चम्मच, ताज़ा दूध 2 लीटर, बादाम 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटे हुए, पिस्ता 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटा हुआ, क्रीम 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज इलायची 1 से 2 अदद। मीठी सवैयाँ बनाने के लिए एक बड़े बर्तन में दूध शामिल करें और इसमें सब्ज इलायची के दाने डालकर उबाल लें। जैसे ही दूध में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें सवैयाँ शामिल कर दें। फिर इनको दरमियानी आंच पर इस कदर पकाएं कि सवैयाँ दूध के साथ अच्छी तरह नरम हो जाएं। अब इसमें चीनी डालकर इस कदर तक पकाएं कि दूध गाढ़ा हो जाए। अब चूल्हा बंद कर दें और इसमें क्रीम, पिस्ता और बादाम शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार मीठी सवैयाँ तैयार हैं। Sweet vermicelli ingredients: vermicelli 1 packet, sugar 6 tablespoon, fresh milk 2 liter, almonds 3 tablespoon chopped, pistachio 3 tablespoon chopped, fresh cream 2 tablespoon and green cardamom 1 or 2. Cooking directions: pour the milk into a large pan along with cardamom seeds. As it gets a quick boil, add vermicelli and cook until the vermicelli is done. Add sugar into the milk and cook until the milk thickens itself. Add the fresh cream and sliced pistachios and almonds. Sweet vermicelli is ready to serve.
Welcome back to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our Zaiqa's kitchen today we are making for you guys the chicken white curry and plus we are making the sweet vermicelli for you guys. So before we went for a break, we was frying our chicken, which is changes color now. As you can see, it's turned slightly brown, so I'm gonna add my ginger garlic paste. Here I got the freshly prepared ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons gonna go in. So and now I'm just gonna stir it and let the chicken will be fried with ginger garlic paste. Then we add in our rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile I will prepare my stuff which we're gonna add in later on, and plus the garnishing too. So we was chopping our ginger here and we done with the green chilies, so I'm just gonna move it aside. And because we got onion here, so I really want to use the onion for my garnishing. What I'm gonna do, I just gonna do cutting of thin layers of onions. This is optional, so I can just spread the onion rings on my recipe today, and they will definitely gonna look good. So I'm just gonna leave that on the side. And now I'm just gonna chop my coriander leaves we got here. So it's already prepared, it's washed and ready to just chop. I'm just gonna give a quick stir to my chicken. which is nicely frying with our ginger garlic paste, and this very good smell coming because of the ginger garlic. When it's fried, it gives a very good aroma to you guys. Okay, so now at this stage, I'm gonna add in my crushed black pepper. That's one, and that's another half tablespoon. Because we like spicy food, I'm adding this much. As I always say in my each show, if you like less spicy food, you can reduce the amount of it. I'm just gonna give a quick stir to my chicken. Today's recipe is very easy. All these people coming to Europe and they are here for just for study, so they can try this recipe at their home where they're living. So they can just make a white chicken curry and impress their friends in it. And here I got the salt. As I always say, don't use too much salt. So I'm using just half a tablespoon of salt here. And here I got the cumin seed. So what I'm gonna do, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, I'm gonna put them on my palm. Just gonna give a rub. You can use the crushed one, but if you got the whole cumin seed, just gonna give a rub with both palms, and that's it. It's gone into our curry. Easy way, innit, to crush your cumin seeds. And here I got the crushed coriander seeds, and we're gonna add nearly 1 tablespoon of that. Just gonna mix it well. Very simple and easy recipe today. Anyone can cook. And at this stage, as all the spices are fried with the chicken, here we got the plain yogurt, 1 cup. So I'm gonna pour that in. Okay, so we're done with our yogurt as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir my chicken and add a little bit water inside so it can be tendered nicely and cooked properly, and then we will do our rest of the cooking. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, probably half a cup. It's gonna help the chicken to be cooked nicely and properly. So I'm just using half a cup of water. Just gonna give a stir to my chicken so it can be mixed properly with the yogurt and all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna cover and let it cook in this water. And on the other hand, our milk is boiling, as you can see. It's got a boil. So I'm just gonna give a stir and want to get another boil so we can add in our rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile, I will do my chopping. Okay, here I got the coriander leaves, which is freshly washed and prepared for our today's dish. Nearly half bunch of coriander leaves, and just gonna chop them. Some of them we're gonna add in when we're gonna giving finishing touch to our white chicken curry, and some we're gonna use it for garnishing. As I always use some coriander, it just give a very fresh and good aroma to your food. That's done now, and these are the onion rings which we chopped earlier on. I just gonna remove the rings so they can be visible when we're gonna use in our garnishing. All these little things, they do matter. And one of my viewer, she requested to give a mask regarding the acne problem she is facing the problem. She got acne all over around her face, so she asked me if I can suggest her something so she can use it and she can improve her face skin with that. So what I can suggest her, I will just give you a remedy, a mask which you can use to reduce the amount of acne growing on your face, and it will help to reduce it and help it to cure it as well. So first of all, what you need to do, before I tell you the remedy, what I will say, try to watch out your intake of water, because it's really linked to your stomach, how much water you are drinking. The milk had a quick boil again, so here I got nearly 1 pack of vermicellis. I'm just going to add them into my milk, which is 2-liter milk in this pot, and which is had 2 boils already. Just going to stir them, and now I want them to be cooked and be softened inside the milk, so then we will add our sugar in. Just going to give a quick stir to my chicken, which is nicely cooking here in this pan. Okay, because its name is white chicken karahi, so we're not using any sort of red chili or crushed chili. We're just cooking this into the black pepper. Yes, I was giving you the remedy for the acne which is exaggerated on your face. Before you do anything, watch out your intake of water, how many glasses of water you are drinking in a day. As I always say, you should increase the water intake in your daily routine, because necessity, the minimum limit is 10 to 12 glasses in a day. Even though it's a winter season, I repeat in each and every show of mine, like, you should increase the intake of water in your daily routine. That will help to clear your stomach. All the impurities will become out when you drink out the water. That will help, first of all, to all these all these bacteria inside our body. It will reduce the amount of them. And secondly, what you can do, just get the cinnamon powder. Well, cinnamon powder easily available from any supermarket, you can buy it. Otherwise, if you got the cinnamon stick at home, just use a grinder, just grind it. We need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 tablespoons of honey, organic honey, which is also available from any supermarket or grocery shop. You can buy the honey which is organic. Just mix it well, beat them together nicely. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And what you're gonna do, wash your face nicely with the lukewarm water. Wash it before you apply the mask. I won't suggest you to do any scrubbing or anything like that. Just use normal moisturizer and don't use too much oily stuff, because if you got acne problem, that's why I just suggest not use any oily products. Here is the time for a very short break. We will back soon and I will give you the tip for the acne problem. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching Zaiqa World, only on TV 99.
चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए अज्जा हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो, दही 1 कप, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज मिर्च 4 से 5 अदद, खुश्क धनिया 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, काली मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, क्रीम 1 कप, तेल ½ कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, अदरक 1 दरमियाना टुकड़ा, हरा धनिया आधी गुठी। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए एक पैन में तेल गरम करके इसमें चिकन फ्राई करें यहाँ तक कि हल्की सुनहरी रंगत आ जाए। फिर इसमें लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट डालकर 1 से 2 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। अब जीरा, खुश्क धनिया, काली मिर्च, नमक, दही और पानी डालकर दरमियानी आंच पर पकाएं ताकि चिकन गल जाए। फिर हरी मिर्च और क्रीम शामिल करके पकाएं और अच्छी तरह मिक्स करके चूल्हे से उतार लें। हरे धनिया और अदरक से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। मज़ेदार चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई तैयार है। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई इंग्रेडिएंट्स: चिकन 1 kg, योगर्ट 1 cup, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, ग्रीन चिलीज 4 to 5, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon, cream 1 cup, oil ½ cup, salt to taste, ginger 1 medium piece, fresh coriander ½ bunch, water 1 cup. Cooking directions: heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken till slightly brown. Then add a ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add crushed cumin seed, crushed coriander seeds, crushed black pepper, yogurt and 1 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until chicken tender. Add green chilies and cream, mix it well and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from cooker, garnish with the ginger and chopped coriander and serve it. Delicious chicken white karahi ready to eat. मीठी सवैयाँ अज्जा सवैयाँ 1 पैकेट बारीक वाली, चीनी 6 खाने के चम्मच, ताज़ा दूध 2 लीटर, बादाम 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटे हुए, पिस्ता 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटा हुआ, क्रीम 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज इलायची 1 से 2 अदद। मीठी सेवइयां बनाने के लिए एक बड़े बर्तन में दूध शामिल करें और इसमें सब्ज इलायची के दाने डालकर उबाल लें। जैसे ही दूध में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें सेवइयां शामिल कर दें, फिर इनको दरमियानी आंच पर इस कदर पकाएं कि सेवइयां दूध के साथ अच्छी तरह नरम हो जाएं। अब इसमें चीनी डालकर इस कदर तक पकाएं कि दूध गाढ़ा हो जाए। अब चूल्हा बंद कर दें और इसमें क्रीम, पिस्ता और बादाम शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार मीठी सेवइयां तैयार हैं। Sweet vermicelli ingredients: vermicelli 1 packet, sugar 6 tablespoon, fresh milk 2 liter, almonds 3 tablespoon chopped, pistachio 3 tablespoon chopped, fresh cream 2 tablespoon and green cardamom 1 or 2. Cooking directions: pour the milk into a large pan along with cardamom seeds. As it gets a quick boil, add vermicelli and cook until the vermicelli is done. Add sugar into the milk and cook until the milk thickens itself. Add the fresh cream and sliced pistachios and almonds. Sweet vermicelli is ready to serve.
Welcome back to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. In our kitchen today we are making for you guys the white chicken karahi, chicken white karahi, and plus we are making sweet vermicellis for you guys. Okay, before we went for a break, I was discussing with you guys about how you can cure the acne problem, which is exaggerated on your face. And people suffering from acne, they are very panic about this because they won't go so quickly. So you have to be patient for using my remedies, and plus you need to have a determination, like you really want to do it, so you can get rid of your problem. So what you need, as I said before, I went to a very short break. As I said to you guys, just you need 2 tablespoons of organic honey and 1 teaspoon of your cinnamon powder, and you're gonna mix it well. Before you apply the mask on your face, just do cleansing of your face, like just use normal moisturizer. Otherwise you can make a cleansing milk at home. Just gonna add 2 tablespoons of raw milk and a tablespoon of honey in it, mix it well, apply that, massage slightly with your pores for 5 to 10 minutes, just cleanse your face with that. Just gonna have a quick glance on my chicken, how it's doing. Yes, it is cooking very nicely, so we're gonna let it cook itself. Okay, just use the cleansing milk which I told you. Just make it at home. Use the 2 tablespoons of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, mix it well, just apply that, rub with your pores nicely, gently, and then just remove it, wash it with lukewarm water, and then you apply the cinnamon and honey mask on your face. Leave it for 20 minutes. As it's going to dry up, after 20 minutes, just wash your face with lukewarm water and use a moisturizer which is less oily, because acne exaggerate because of the oil as well. So just watch out your diet. Don't eat too much spicy food, not too much fried food, because all these things do matter to exaggerate your acne on your face. If you reduce the amount of oil you're using in your daily routine, and plus you drinking plenty of water, as I said to you, 10 to 12 glasses, it's gonna really help you. Okay, our sweet vermicellis are now slightly softened, so I'm gonna just let them cook more nicely into the milk so they can be more firmly together. And here we're chatting about our acne problem, and I just given you a very quick tip how you can just help you to reduce the amount of acne appearing on your face. It will, if you carry on using that product on your daily routine, it will reduce the amount of acne coming up on your face. Plus, if you're drinking plenty of water, because acne is the thing which come in a stage when you are just growing up as a youngster. It just suddenly appear on your face, on your different part of body, then it's slightly calm down after a certain stage. So there's so many types of acne, but if you are suffering acne because of your food habits and plus not drinking enough water, then you have to drink plenty of water, avoid too much oily food, too much spicy food. Just watch out all these things, and that will really helpful to reduce the amount of acne on your face and body. So here I got a very nice little Okay viewers, here I got very lovely tomatoes, so I really want to use it to make my recipe today to very eye appealing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut down a flower of my tomato. So I already told 2 ways of making a flower of a tomato. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna remove the peel of a tomato so we can make a rose out of it, just very carefully removing the skin. So the rest of the tomato you can use for your cooking. You can make omelette out of it, you can make any what you can say gravy or any curry, whatever you're cooking, you can add that tomato in it. So just gonna use the peel to make a very lovely nice little flower. I'm just removing slowly with my knife the peel of our tomato. Meanwhile, our both recipes are cooking nicely on our cooker. So just remove the peel of my tomato. So now I'm just gonna make a flour out of it. I'm just gonna put that on the side. We don't need this at the moment. We can add into any other thing we're gonna cook later on. So what I'm gonna do, removing this bit, and now put the knife on the side, and look, our milk is boiling nicely and our sweet vermicellis are gone a bit thicker now as I wanted. And now at this stage I'm going to add in some sugar. Here I got the sugar, and nearly going to use half cup of sugar from this. And if you like less sweet, then you can add less. It's entirely up to you guys. As I always say, just gonna stir it so sugar can be mixed well into our sweet vermicellis. Okay, so we're gonna add our green cardamom seed in there, so it will give a very good aroma to our sweet dish. And we're just gonna let it simmer as the sugar gonna be dissolved. It's gonna be ready for serving. And at this stage I'm gonna add my chopped almond and pistachios as well. Some we're gonna keep it for our garnishing, as we always do. Some of them are gonna just add in now. Okay, this is the chopped pistachios. We added both in so they can be softened in the milk as well. I'm just gonna give a stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes, and it's gonna be ready to serve. So that's our sweet dish, how easy it is. I'm just gonna give a quick stir to our chicken as well. As you can see, the water is disappearing now, it's evaporating because of the flame, and chicken is being tender nicely. So probably another 10 minutes for this. Meanwhile, we will prepare our tomato flour. So we're just gonna start rolling edge of our tomato with your soft hands, just like this. Just roll it nicely, like you roll a ribbon or something. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up again and start my rolling, because I want to roll this very tightly so it won't open up. Use your both hands. So we are making a rose out of our tomato peel. There we go, it's done. A nice little rose. I really love doing that sort of thing. So that's the rose flower for you guys, what we did. And now just gonna give a stir to my sweet vermicellis. As you can see, they are just cooking nicely and properly. As they're gonna be ready, we're gonna add in our 2 tablespoons of cream, which probably when we start serving we can add it then as well. It's entirely up to you guys. And if you don't want like too fattening, then you don't use the cream. It's entirely up to you guys as well. So, and one of my viewers, she requested me to give a tip regarding her blackheads, and I told her in my previous show like she can use just tomato, red tomato, just chop it from the half, leave it in the freezer, rub it on her face, but she really requested for a mask for this. So any mask which can help her more, so I will just gonna give a very easy peasy mask for that young lady. I will say what she need to do, she need to just have one white of egg. What she's gonna do, she's gonna break one egg, she's gonna remove the yolk of it, just gonna beat well the egg white, and then just gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey in it, mix it, beat it very well. As they're going to be mixed together, apply the mask on your face, leave it for 20 minutes. As it's going to be dry, just remove it out of your face with lukewarm water and just clean it with the, normally we don't suggest use towels because it's not good option. It will, like, if you're using towels, just use your own one. Our sweet is ready. Just going to turn off the fire now and let it cool down so we can add in the cream. As we always say, don't use towel which everyone is using. If you're using, just use a separate towel, help you to reduce all these problems, skin problems and diseases. So just tap with a towel or tissue paper, dry it and apply some good moisturizer. And here is a time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Keep watching Zaiqa World only on TV 99.
चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए अज्जा हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो, दही 1 कप, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज मिर्च 4 से 5 अदद, खुश्क धनिया 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, काली मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, क्रीम 1 कप, तेल हाफ कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, अदरक 1 दरमियाना टुकड़ा, हरा धनिया आधी गुठी। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए एक पैन में तेल गरम करके इसमें चिकन फ्राई करें यहाँ तक कि हल्की सुनहरी रंगत आ जाए। फिर इसमें लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट डालकर 1 से 2 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। अब जीरा, खुश्क धनिया, काली मिर्च, नमक, दही और पानी डालकर दरमियानी आंच पर पकाएं ताकि चिकन गल जाए। फिर हरी मिर्च और क्रीम शामिल करके पकाएं और अच्छी तरह मिक्स करके चूल्हे से उतार लें। हरे धनिया और अदरक से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। मज़ेदार चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई तैयार है। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई इंग्रेडिएंट्स: चिकन 1 kg, योगर्ट 1 cup, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, ग्रीन चिलीज 4 to 5, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon, cream 1 cup, oil half cup, salt to taste, ginger 1 medium piece, fresh coriander half bunch, water 1 cup. Cooking directions: heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken till slightly brown, then add a ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add crushed cumin seed, crushed coriander seeds, crushed black pepper, yogurt and 1 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until chicken tender. Add green chilies and cream, mix it well and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from cooker, garnish with the ginger and chopped coriander and serve it. Delicious chicken white कढ़ाई ready to eat. मीठी सवैया अज्जा सवैया 1 पैकेट बारीक वाली, चीनी 6 खाने के चम्मच, ताज़ा दूध 2 लीटर, बादाम 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटे हुए, पिस्ता 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटा हुआ, क्रीम 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज इलायची 1 से 2 अदद। मीठी सवैया बनाने के लिए एक बड़े बर्तन में दूध शामिल करें और इसमें सब्ज इलायची के दाने डालकर उबाल लें। जैसे ही दूध में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें सवैयाँ शामिल कर दें। फिर इनको दरमियानी आंच पर इस कदर पकाएं कि सवैयाँ दूध के साथ अच्छी तरह नरम हो जाएं। अब इसमें चीनी डालकर इस कदर तक पकाएं कि दूध गाढ़ा हो जाए। अब चूल्हा बंद कर दें और इसमें क्रीम, पिस्ता और बादाम शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार मीठी सवैयाँ तैयार हैं। Sweet vermicelli ingredients: vermicelli 1 packet, sugar 6 tablespoon, fresh milk 2 liter, almonds 3 tablespoon chopped, pistachio 3 tablespoon chopped, fresh cream 2 tablespoon and green cardamom 1 or 2. Cooking directions: pour the milk into a large pan along with cardamom seeds. As it gets a quick boil, add vermicelli and cook until the vermicelli is done. Add sugar into the milk and cook until the milk thickens itself. Add the fresh cream and sliced pistachios and almonds. Sweet vermicelli is ready to serve.
Welcome back to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and we are making in our kitchen today for you guys the white chicken karahi, and plus with that a sweet, which is sweet vermicelli, known as the sweet Zaiqa. So before we went for a break, our chicken was simmering nicely, and now just gonna have a quick glance how it's doing. Okay, as you can see, the chicken is cooked nicely and there's a layer of oil showing, so that means it's ready now. So what we're gonna do at this stage, we're gonna add our green chilies, which is here, which is like this, and some of our chopped ginger and some of the coriander leaves, which we chopped earlier on. And here I got the cream, so I'm gonna add in the cream. Just gonna leave 2 to 3 tablespoons for our sweet vermicelli, and now we're gonna just mix it and let it steam for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. So you guys, look at that recipe, how easy and quick to make. We don't need to do too much chopping, and cooking time is very less as well. So you do try our recipe, enjoy it at your home, and do let us know how you feel after cooking this, and give us your feedback. Looking forward for that. I'm just gonna cover it so it can be mixed properly, the cream in there, just for 2 minutes, roughly 2 minutes. Okay, so these are the sweet vermicelli. They are slightly calmed down now. They're cool bit. Still the steam is coming out. You have to serve it cooled, but some people do like it hot as well. So I'm just going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of cream into my sweet, and now we're just going to give a good stir, and then it's going to be ready to serve. And we're going to garnish with our almond and pistachios. So it is done. So just pour it into this pot. Just going to hold it like that and slowly pour it in, just like this. Okay, that's done. And here I'm gonna switch off my cooker for my white chicken karahi, and now I'm just gonna garnish this with chopped almonds and some of pistachios I got here. It's entirely up to you which dry fruit you want to use. You can use sultanas in it, walnuts in it. It's entirely up to you guys. So we just give you a hint how you can do it. You can manage your recipe by your own. So according to your taste and desire, this is done. And now we're gonna just have a quick glance to our white chicken karahi. If it's ready, so we're gonna serve it. There we go. It is ready. And it is smelling very nice as well. Okay, just gonna hold it like that and pour it in. Okay, and now it's time to garnish. Just gonna do equally, settle down in my platter with my spoon. And here I got the onion rings. It's optional, but I like to do that because I like the crunchiness of onions. And if you're eating this dish in your lunch menu, onions are a very good option. So here I got some julienne cutting of the ginger, which I'm gonna just sprinkle on my thingy, and some of coriander leaves, fresh chopped coriander like this. And here I got a very nice little tomato flower. Just gonna add in the middle of my dish like this. Okay, so that's done. Okay viewers, our recipe for today, the chicken white karahi plus our sweet vermicellis are ready to serve now. Do try our recipe at home and do let us know. Your feedback means a lot for us, and do write us about any recipe you want us to cook it for you guys. Do not hesitate, send us in writing. We will definitely cook that recipe for you guys, and we will announce the person's name too. And now it's really time to say goodbye to you guys. So take care and Allah Hafiz. Do give us your feedback not only on our TV99 page but also on our Zaiqa World page. So take care and Allah Hafiz from me, Hina, and keep watching my show Zaiqa World only on TV99.
चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए अज्जा हमें चाहिए चिकन 1 किलो, दही 1 कप, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज मिर्च 4 से 5 अदद, खुश धनिया 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच कुटा हुआ, काली मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, क्रीम 1 कप, तेल हाफ कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, अदरक 1 दरमियाना टुकड़ा, हरा धनिया आधी गुठी। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई बनाने के लिए एक पैन में तेल गरम करके इसमें चिकन फ्राई करें यहाँ तक कि हल्की सुनहरी रंगत आ जाए। फिर इसमें लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट डालकर 1 से 2 मिनट के लिए पकाएं। अब जीरा, खुश धनिया, काली मिर्च, नमक, दही और पानी डालकर दरमियानी आंच पर पकाएं ताकि चिकन गल जाए। फिर हरी मिर्च और क्रीम शामिल करके पकाएं और अच्छी तरह मिक्स करके चूल्हे से उतार ले। हरे धनिया और अदरक से गार्निश करके सर्व करें। मजेदार चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई तैयार है। चिकन वाइट कढ़ाई इंग्रेडिएंट्स: चिकन 1 kg, योगर्ट 1 कप, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, green chilies 4 to 5, crushed coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon, cream 1 cup, oil half cup, salt to taste, ginger 1 medium piece, fresh coriander half bunch, water 1 cup. Cooking directions: heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken till slightly brown. Then add a ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add crushed cumin seed, crushed coriander seeds, crushed black pepper, yogurt and 1 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until chicken tender. Add green chilies and cream, mix it well and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from cooker, garnish with the ginger and chopped coriander and serve it. Delicious chicken white karahi ready to eat. मीठी सवैयाँ अच्छा सवैयाँ 1 पैकेट बारीक वाली, चीनी 6 खाने के चम्मच, ताज़ा दूध 2 लीटर, बादाम 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटे हुए, पिस्ता 3 खाने के चम्मच बारीक कुटा हुआ, क्रीम 2 खाने के चम्मच, सब्ज इलायची 1 से 2 अदद। मीठी सवैयाँ बनाने के लिए एक बड़े बर्तन में दूध शामिल करें और इसमें सब्ज इलायची के दाने डालकर उबाल लें। जैसे ही दूध में उबाल आ जाए तो इसमें सवैयाँ शामिल कर दें। फिर इनको दरमियानी आंच पर इस कदर पकाएं कि सवैयाँ दूध के साथ अच्छी तरह नरम हो जाएं। अब इसमें चीनी डालकर इस कदर तक पकाएं कि दूध गाढ़ा हो जाए। अब चूल्हा बंद कर दें और इसमें क्रीम, पिस्ता और बादाम शामिल कर दें। मज़ेदार मीठी सवैयाँ तैयार हैं। Sweet vermicelli ingredients: vermicelli 1 packet, sugar 6 tablespoon, fresh milk 2 liter, almonds 3 tablespoon chopped, pistachio 3 tablespoon chopped, fresh cream 2 tablespoon and green cardamom 1 or 2. Cooking directions: pour the milk into a large pan along with cardamom seeds. As it gets a quick boil, add vermicelli and cook until the vermicelli is done. Add sugar into the milk and cook until the milk thickens itself. Add the fresh cream and sliced pistachios and almonds. Sweet vermicelli is ready to serve.